What is up? I know I haven't been uploading that much and I apologize. I've just been so busy, like I don't have the time to bring my camera to the gym and set up and do all that stuff because I just have to focus on my workout and just get it done. Tonight I'm hoping to get some posing practice done. And I have my high heels. They came in the mail. My suit's not here yet. It's gonna come in like a few weeks. It is so cold outside. It's almost October and like I'm wearing layers basically. It's freezing. So very tired. I only got like 4 hours of sleep last night. Cause in bed I was like, oh, I have so many things to do because I'm taking physics 12, pre-cal 12, and just doing that with prep. I'm so exhausted. I'm doing cardio 6 days a week now. I need to push harder than like most people on prep because of my age. I'm 17 and I still have all this like baby fat. Like my skin isn't gonna be as thin as the other people who I'm competing against just because of age. Because you know, as you age your skin gets thinner so you can see more of the muscles, more of the veins and everything, and I just have like my skin is not thinning at all. It's just an age thing, so gotta push way harder than I want to, but I'm ready.
So let me catch you. So let me catch you slipping by. Why do I get myself? Why do I get myself caught up in these lonely nights? Oh, why do I get myself? Why do I get myself caught up in these lonely
It's the next day. My lower back is killing me from posing. I guess that's a good thing because that's kind of what it's supposed to do, but it hurts so much. So right now I'm just packing meals for the day and making breakfast, and I need to have a shower. I weighed myself this morning and I weigh 122. So the total weight loss for this whole thing is 10 pounds in 9 weeks, and now I feel like it's gonna just like skyrocket. I just wish my mom would turn on the thermostat because it is so cold in this house. Here, I'll show you how cold it is. 63 degrees.